In a busy metropolitan area, a leading technology firm faced a significant threat when an employee inadvertently sent an email containing highly sensitive business plans to an external vendor. The email contained detailed specifications for a groundbreaking product set to revolutionize the industry, but little did the employee know that the recipient was a competitor, posing a grave risk of intellectual property theft and huge financial loss. In today's video, we're diving into the world of sensitivity labels within Microsoft 365, which offers administrators powerful tools to safeguard and manage access to organizational content. With sensitivity labels, files and emails can be tagged automatically or manually, thanks to the policies set up in the Security and Compliance Administrative Center. But that's not all. These labels can enforce critical protection settings like encryption or watermarks on labeled content. Plus, they seamlessly extend to third-party applications and services for comprehensive security coverage. So, stay tuned as we explore how users can easily view and apply sensitivity labels directly within familiar Office applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Let's unlock the full potential of sensitivity labels together.
To create sensitivity labels, simply navigate to compliance.microsoft.com and select Information Protection. Under Information Protection, you'll find Overview, Labels, Label Policies, and Auto Labeling. For this example, we'll just be using labels and label policies. To use sensitivity labels, you'll need to create them first. To do this, simply click on Labels, then add the name, priority, scope of either file, email, or both. Once you've confirmed and created all your labels, we'll navigate to Label Policies. Label Policies is where we'll publish the policies to your Office applications using one or more labels created in the previous step. To publish a new label, simply click on Publish Label. Next, you'll choose the sensitivity label to publish. Click Add and select Next. Then we'll assign admin units. For this example, I'll just be using the full directory and click Next. The next thing you'll need to do is publish the labels to either users, groups, or specific users and groups. Once confirmed, click Done and Next. Next, you'll configure the settings for the labels included in this policy. Then, under Policy Settings, you'll check the boxes of all the settings you wish to configure for this policy and click Next. The next thing you'll need to do is select the default label policy for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents. I'll select Public for this example and click Next. Under Emails, I'll select the same and click Next. Meetings and Power BI, I'll leave for now. We'll give the policy a quick name and click Next. Then we'll review and submit to confirm the changes. So, once the labels has been successfully created, published, and you've given 24 hours for updates, you'll have the ability to add them to your Office applications. So, here I've got a Microsoft Word document with no labels currently attached. To add a label, simply navigate to the Sensitivity tab, where you'll have the option to choose one of the following labels: Internal, Public, General, Confidential, External, Confidential, Internal, and Confidential, Restricted. Please note that this policies has been created and designed by our technical team, so it may differ to the standard sensitivity labels. So for us, Confidential, Restricted means that this document will be for the eyes and ears of individual recipients only. No further disclosure is allowed. Recipients cannot print, forward, or copy the information. So that basically means that the document will be sent, or somebody will get permission to view the document, and it's for that person only. No one else can gain access to view, copy, forward, or print that particular document. The next one we have is confidential internal. The disclosure of this information is limited and sharing is restricted to users within the organization only. This basically means that if tagged with this label, the document will be used for internal use only, and no one outside of this organization would have the ability to gain access to this document. Next, we have confidential external. This is used when handling sensitive information intended for specific people inside or outside of the organization. So in this policy, both internal people and specific external people will have access to the document. Then we've got general. In this tag, the information may be shared within the community, including customers and partners, but not via public accessible channels. Next is public. This information can be shared with anyone in the world on publicly accessible channels, and there is no limit or disclosure. And finally, internal. Documents tagged with this label will be restricted to Tektron staff only and cannot be shared with any external users. So to select the label, simply click on the one you would like to use. Once confirmed, you'll see a banner appear on top confirming the tag that you've selected. When you're happy with the document and the tag, you can confirm and then send it to your recipient.
Thank you for taking the time to join us on this quick video. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into how you can leverage the powerful features to enhance security and protect your organizational information. Always remember, implementing sensitivity labels is just the first step. Continually monitoring and refining your security posture is key to ensuring ongoing data protection and compliance. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative content on Microsoft 365 and other technology topics.